Ready to turn your audience into a revenue stream? Let's get you started with the Rakuten Affiliate Program. First, head over to the Rakuten Affiliate Network website. You can find the link conveniently in the description below. Then, look for and click the Sign Up or Join Now button. Now, you'll be prompted to create an account. Fill out all the required information accurately. This includes your name, email address, website URL, and business information if applicable. Make sure the website you enter is active and relevant to the products you'll be promoting. Next, you'll need to enter your payment details. This is how you'll receive your commission payments, so double-check that everything is correct. Rakuten usually offers direct deposit as a payment option. Once your application is approved, which usually takes a few days, you'll gain access to your Rakuten Affiliate Network dashboard. From here, you can explore available advertisers and find products to promote. Click on the Advertisers tab to browse through different brands. Look for advertisers that align with your niche and audience. Pay close attention to their commission rates, terms, and conditions. Click on an advertiser's name to learn more about their program. After you find the products you want to promote, you'll need to generate affiliate links. Each advertiser will have its own process for this, but usually, you can find a Get Link or Create Ad button within their page. Copy this link and embed it into your content. Integrate these links naturally into your blog posts, social media updates, or website content. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Finally, track your performance using the reporting tools in your Rakuten dashboard. This allows you to see what's working and optimize your strategies for maximum earnings. Good luck and happy earning.